We're Christine and Kevin, and we've been traveling full-time as a family for over 5 years. We're spending 11 weeks exploring all over the island of Ireland, and in this video, we had just half a day to explore the city of Limerick on our Wild Atlantic Way road trip.
Today we've got about half a day left in the Limerick surrounding area, and we're starting the day off in Limerick's medieval quarter.
We parked our car in King John Castle car park, and it turns out it's free, and it's located right here by all these things, so it couldn't have been more perfect. And of course, as soon as we get out of the car park, there's a church immediately already behind us. So lots to see. We're gonna walk around the medieval quarter, and then we're gonna see King John's Castle, which we got a glimpse of as we drove by, but we're gonna get closer if we can. So like in any good tourist city, it looks like you can be part of a walking tour if you want. There are also signs on the walls with numbers. So I think somewhere there's probably a guide to these different places and a walking tour you could probably self-follow as well. We're gonna do more DIY haphazard approach and just wander. If you do want to take a tour of King John's Castle, this is where you would go in to get your tickets. There's also a shop and cafe over here. We are just going to see it from the outside while walking the medieval quarter because we did Bunratty yesterday and we're only going to do one of the two. But no doubt this one would be very interesting as well.
It is definitely worth getting views of the castle from the other side of the river over here. You can't really see an awful lot of it from where the gift shop and the admission center is. And quick tip, if you want to see the inside of the courtyard and you're not paying for the tour, you can get a quick glimpse of it from inside the gift shop.
The views from this side of the River Shannon are fantastic. The river trail that we were following is part of a larger loop called the Three Bridges Walk and is a relatively easy 3.6 kilometer or 2.25 mile round trip. It's a great way to see Limerick's medieval quarter and, as the name implies, takes you over 3 historic bridges. The first one being the one that we came across from King John's Castle. Next, where we are just about to head back across the river, and finally a pedestrian bridge leading back to the medieval quarter.
We're crossing the river again here at the Sarsfield Bridge to complete our loop, but it looks like you could keep going actually on either side of the river if you wanted to see more. After the Sarsfield Bridge, we made our way through Arthur's Key Park and past the Hunt Museum, which is one of the city's art museums in the old Custom House building. We heard they do have some things geared towards families, but at this point we were ready for something to eat. I really like these restaurants where the tables are numbered and then you can just go inside for a drink, get a menu, order inside, and they'll bring it out to your table. But yeah, then Kevin always has to do the balancing act of getting the beers from inside out. It's worth it though. Wow. I'm very happy with this. I haven't even tried it yet. Look at this thing.
Aiden's already putting ketchup on his.
Steak and ale pie.
The only thing that I'm really actually kind of sad about is that we don't have more time here.
We've really enjoyed Limerick, just the walkability of everything, the medieval history and all the buildings. Like Kevin said, the restaurants that are like everywhere and the beautiful views of the river. We've really enjoyed it. And if you come to Ireland, make sure you make some time for Limerick City. Join us next time for the rest of our Ireland Wild Atlantic Way road trip.